The ref's calling for the match to start, and here we...
Oh, no!
The referee's been turned inside out with a huge clothesline.
Well, I think it was an accident, but man, did that look painful.
Seth Rollins making a move.
Seth Rollins' career began as one of the most respected grapplers on the independent scene. Rollins then joined WWE and was crowned the first ever NXT champion. The world then saw him emerge as one of the top talents in all of sports entertainment as a member of the Shield. Oh, out of nowhere! With the reversal. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Not every move is designed to get the fans off their feet.
Seth Rollins gets blasted. Oh, out of nowhere.
Just making his presence felt there.
You know, Rollins was one half of the WWE Tag Team Champions along with Roman Reigns. So what all of this means is that by now we all know when Seth Rollins touches down in that ring, all hell is going to break loose. Boy, he just got laid out. Oh! If he keeps up this pace, this could turn real ugly real fast. This might not end well.
There it is, the right hand hook.
Oh, what a hook. This guy's just getting worn out. Good grief. One more time for everyone at home.
One, two. And he kicks out.
And he lives to fight again.
Can you believe the endurance of this guy? Can you believe what he's withstood here tonight? Ow! Ooh. Rolling out of the ring, hoping to escape here.
Man, somebody's going to be sore in the morning.
Another amazing singles contest. These two never cease to entertain the WWE Universe.
He's showing no signs of letting up. Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously wrong there.
This is a level of destruction no one was expecting.
I certainly didn't expect to see this kind of damage. Talk about catching a beating. Hey, starting to feel like a broken record here. Oh, wait, Cole, you do remember records, don't you?
What's a record? You mean for music?
Yes!
I download my stuff. Oh, and he missed that one. God, that's gotta hurt.
Yeah, you're not doing any damage with swings like that, but keep doing it. The breeze may give him a cold.
One, two.
Oh, man. Targeting the ribs and the lower back. That just takes all of the power out of him. Well, we're on the move here.
Look past the ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are having a great time tonight.
Oh, you're right about that. You always have a great time when you attend a WWE event live, just like we are here tonight. This is wonderful. Seth Rollins finds a way out.
A kick to the gut. That'll double you over.
Oh, wait, nice reversal.
Vicious landing on that toss.
And Rollins with the reversal.
Quick thinking to avoid that. We're looking at complete domination here.
Man, that one rocked him.
The repetition on that move is becoming deliberate at this point. Make no mistake about it, Seth Rollins is in trouble here. Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
You're right. That was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here.
Great match here, but if you missed any of the matches from this week, go to WWE.com to catch up on all the action.
I go to WWE.com all the time to catch up on the Divas. Wow, he's still down after that. Uh-oh. Rollins is always aware of his surroundings.
The single leg Boston Crab.
Oh man, a hole named after the Beantown. Look at him unloading with the Dez press. It's going to take a lot to change the tide of this one. Oh, out of nowhere.
Damage inflicted with a snapmare. Can't wake up from that one.
No kidding, that snapmare was especially hard.
Seth Rollins using his feet nicely here.
That was spectacular. This match just keeps getting better. Oh, wait, nice reversal. Oh, man, what a shot.
Oh, that might be it right there.
Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously wrong there.
What's he gonna do here? What's he gonna do here? Not today, too fast.
He's in full-on attack mode now.
Here we go, back inside the ring.
What do you mean we? We're still outside the ring, Cole. It's them, they're inside the ring. Seth Rollins feeling the lockup.
Thank you for choosing to watch WWE on this Monday night. We promise to bring you a great night of action.
Oh, out of nowhere.
Here we go again.
That's okay. Who doesn't like seeing things over and over and over? Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Kick back, relax, and enjoy your Monday night with some great WWE action. Seems like these guys are letting out a lot of...
That's it. He's out. The shoulders are down.
1, 2, 3.
He did it. What a huge win.
Let's take a look at some of the big highlights.